Hello everyone, I'm Darshit from LeadConnect, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can integrate LeadConnect with Google Sheets. So for that, first let's go to the extension. So here I have already opened my extension, and you can see I have already created a sequence which contains a target audience, and here are the messages and the withdrawal time. Now, this is an ordinary sequence, and I definitely need to make some changes inside this sequence. So the changes are I need to use Zapier to integrate LeadConnect with the Google Sheets. So let's go to Zapier and create a Zap, and then use the Zapier's API inside the LeadConnect. So here I am on the Zapier's page. I'm going to click on Make a Zap. Okay, so here in the Zap, we need to search for webhooks. So here are the webhooks. And in the webhooks, the triggering event will be catch hook. So we need to catch the data from LeadConnect. So I'm going to use catch hook. Okay, now let's click on continue. All right, so Webhook has provided you with a custom URL. So using this URL, all the data would be transmitted to the Zapier. So you need to copy this URL first, and let's go back to the sequences here in the extension and go to the integrations. Now here in the integrations, you need to paste that URL here under the Zapier's integration. So paste it and click test zap, and the sample data has been pushed to Zapier. And all right, so everything is done. Now let's go to sequences. Okay, so in the sequences, let's select the sequence. Here is the sequence, and turn on the Zapier switch. So Zapier basically provides you with the 4 triggering event. One of them is the response received, another one is invitation sent, the third one is invitation accepted, and the fourth one is invitation withdrawn. So you can choose any one of these as per your use case, but as far as the demo right now, I'm going to select all 4 of this. And let me just go and save the changes. Okay, the changes has been saved. Okay, so let's go to Zapier again and continue. Okay, find data, yes, and test and continue. Okay, so now the second step is integrating Google Sheets. So you need to create a Google Sheet. I already have one here. I'm going to add one more type here, type. And this is my demo sheet right now. So I have added the following columns: name, occupation, email, LinkedIn public URL, and the type of trigger which has taken place. So there are a lot many options which we provide, but right now I'm just using this. Okay, so here in the Zapier, we need to search for Google Sheet. I already have it here, and choose the event. So I'm going to create a spreadsheet row. I'm going to select a spreadsheet row. I'm going to create a new row. And okay, so now it is asking me to integrate my Google account. So I already have connected it. So okay. So here in this page, you need to select the spreadsheet which you are going to use. So you need to search for the Google Sheet which you have created. This is the sheet I have created. And then you need to select the workspace where you want to enter the data. So it will be sheet 1. All right, so Zapier has bring all the columns here. So let me just fill the columns with the dynamic values. So here in the name, I'm going to select full name. Here in the occupation, let me just search for occupation there. And here it is, occupation. Let me search for email ID. Yeah, there we go, email ID and public URL. So let me just, here it is, public identifier, and let me just to give it a type here. All right, the type is being here. So I have given all this demo values here, and I'm going to click continue. And yes, test and continue. All right, sample data has been sent, and now let's just turn on the Zap. Okay, so the Zap is on. Here in the Google Sheet, you can see the sample data has already been entered here. I don't really need this, so I'm going to delete this. And okay, now let's just start our sequence. So here's the sequence. Let's just start the sequence. And let's just wait for some invitations to go. Alright, so the first invite has been sent. Let's just go to the Google Sheets, and here you can see so here you can see the column has been created, sorry, the row has been created for the prospect's detail. We don't have the prospect's email ID right now because you can see the invitation has been sent. So LinkedIn only provides with the data which when your prospect accepts your invitation. So right now the prospect has not accepted my invitation, so I don't have any email ID right now, but whenever my prospect will accept the invitation, there will be its email ID. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys.